morning, ladies and gentlemen, and esteemed guests. We are Josh, Nick, and Sean, enterprise architects from Rhodes-University, situated in Grahamstown. We're here to speak to you about a great new trend that we believe needs to be seized upon.
The trend we investigated is the use of mobile applications in an educational environment. The vast majority of campus students and lecturers have mobile phones with internet capabilities, and a growing number have smartphones. We want to create a central mobile app for all students and lecturers with mobile devices. Our mobile app will provide students, visitors, parents, and employees of Rhodes University with an all-encompassing application, providing some of the most popular services on campus.
The reason why we chose a mobile app is that it is a growing trend amongst the youth of today and society in general. We want Rhodes to be a part of the digital revolution. By creating a central mobile app, it will allow all the university's services to be accessed instantly, anywhere, at any time, by anyone.
Rhodes University's mission is to be an outstanding, internationally respected academic institution which proudly affirms its African identity and which is committed to democratic ideals, academic freedom, rigorous scholarship, sound moral values, and social responsibility. In line with this vision, Rhodes University's strategy includes to create a research-based teaching and learning environment that will encourage students to reach their full potential, to promote excellence and innovation in teaching and learning by providing staff and students with access to relevant academic development programs, to provide an attractive, safe, and well-equipped environment that is conducive to good scholarship and collegiality, to provide a safe and nurturing student support system, as well as a diverse array of residential, sporting, cultural, and leadership opportunities that will foster the all-round development of our students and the university and the region as a whole.
We, as the enterprise architecture team, have taken a strategic into careful consideration, and we believe that the educational mobile application trends presents Rhodes with a great opportunity. The application will provide easy and instant access to Rhodes IT services to help students reach their full academic potential by adding value to the learning environment.
The mobile application would be downloaded onto a mobile device via the relevant app store. The user would then log in using their Rhodes student number and password. The main screen would have icons that take the user to the relevant service. The first iteration of the app released would have a limited number of basic, easy-to-implement services that will ensure that the project is a low-hanging fruit. If implementation of the first version is successful, then the bigger, more complicated services would slowly be added via application updates.
Features of our mobile app would include the following: a security aspect that stores CPU emergency numbers, which can be called by touching the icon next to the relevant number. In later versions, we hope to add a SOS button that, when pressed, sends a distress signal and GPS location to CPU.
Another feature would be the university campus map, which would make it easy for students to find their lecture locations. We believe first years will benefit from this the most. The map would also include points of interest such as computer lab locations and emergency study venues for when the power goes out.
The timetable feature would use the student number of the user to pull up their personal timetable. This would make accessing timetables extremely easy, taking only 2 taps of the device screen.
A search bar would also be included in the interface that searches the university website for the information required.
Buying and checking printing credits on your mobile device will ensure that students never unexpectedly run out of credit during critical work.
The class marks screen would show the selected class marks and make it easy for students to keep track of their academic performance throughout the year.
The meal planner feature will allow students to easily book and unbook meals. This would increase the efficiency of the kitchen and ensure less waste.
Clearly, the flexibility and impact that these various features provide makes this mobile application an easy choice for this establishment to invest in. The project aligns with Rhodes' strategic plan and would provide great value at a low cost. We believe that Rhodes University needs to take advantage of this ever-growing trend or risk falling behind technologically. In conclusion, we believe that it is imperative that Rhodes employs this technological trend. Thank you for your time and your consideration.
Created using Powtoon.